Okay, today is Thursday, March 31st, 2022. We're at 26412 Lyndon. As you can see, we're here at a basement floor drain. This is kind of in a playroom area. There is a hung sewer that goes out the back of the house. It goes out about halfway up the wall under the deck. There is an addition that's on the house, and there is an outside clean out that's cast iron on the west side of the house that is for the sewer. This here is a storm floor drain. As you can see, it's a T in clay pipe. It appears, we're going to put the camera down here, and it may be hard to see, but it appears the flow is going towards the front of the house. We're going to televise in both directions. John did a cable through the floor drain. Now, if it does flow towards the front of the house, on the other side of this playroom is the mechanical laundry room. There is a second floor drain that's being used for a shower. There's also a laundry drain that goes through the floor as well. We're going to assume that somehow these may possibly all tie together. We're going to do a diagnostic televise at this time. Okay, as you can see here, we do have some silt in the bottom. It is hard for us to keep our lines clear, but we are able to televise. This is going towards the front wall. As you can see, this is 4-inch clay pipe, and you can see here we have a 45. Okay, you can see here we change over from the clay to cast iron. Here you can see we do have water discharging into the line. Currently the kitchen is in use. You can see we also have some roots here. And here you can see we're still in 4-inch cast iron. You can see we do have some buildup in the line, but we are able to continue our televise. We are able to push the camera even though we don't have, here we got visual back, we're still in 4-inch cast iron. Okay, as you can see here, we're holding water at this point, but we are able to televise. We're still in the 4-inch cast iron. We're still able to televise. We believe the city sewer to be across the street. Okay, as you can see, this line has a lot of buildup to it. You can see we do have some flow on it. We are going to pause. We are going to run the laundry to see if this flow increases and see if this actually goes all the way out to the city main. It is getting difficult to push due to our distance. Okay, we currently lost our visual again. Okay, we've lost our visual at this point. We are going to pause to see if we can locate this outside. Okay, we walked around the backyard area. The backyard area is pretty swampy in the back corner, so it's hard for us to get to. We could not locate this line, but it appears to be going somewhat in that direction of the back corner. Let me try and see if we can get our lens clear here. As you see, the cast iron had a lot of buildup to it. We are going to televise back to the area that has the root infiltration if we can get a visual on our camera and see if we can locate that area and also see where it changes over from the clay to the cast iron, so get an idea of where this line runs. Okay, we are going to continue to pull back. We have started cold water running in the laundry to see if we actually do get an increased flow in the drain here to see if the laundry is tied in. Again, we're trying to get our lens clear as well. Okay, here we're able to get our lens clear. And it does appear that we have a larger flow coming through. As you can see, we're currently underwater at this time. Okay, you can see here we do have quite a bit more flow. So this is the laundry. It does go into this line as well. Again, we're going to pull back to the area where we have the root infiltration and also locate the area where it changes from cast iron to clay. We were not able to locate out in the yard where the sewer went. We're not 100% sure if this is on the sanitary or if this is the storm. Again, you can see here we've lost our visual with the water running. Okay, you can see we're still in the cast iron. Again, it does have quite a bit of buildup. can see, we still have water flow. So we are still downstream of where the laundry ties in. Here you can see, we're not sure if this is a 45 or a Y. Okay, this is where we change. As you can see, we still have a flow. Okay, here you can see we have a T. As you can see, we have the water flow coming in here. So this is our tie-in. So this is by the laundry. You can see the water flowing in here. This is where the pipe goes into the ground. Okay, you can see a couple of areas where we had some root infiltration. Okay, this is where we tie in to cast iron. We're going to see if we can pause the recording and locate this area. We will turn the laundry off at this time. Okay, we have located this area here where we change from the clay tile. We'll pull back slightly here. You can see we're in the clay tile. And where we change to the cast iron. This is just upstream of the clean out. And we currently have water running in the bathtub. And as you can see here, we have water coming in. We believe this is the sewer tie-in. You can see we have a little bit of roots right there where it comes in. We believe this was what was causing the issue. When we turn here, we believe the Y outside the Y that's outside is outside clean out. So this does tie in the sanitary. This does go out, we believe, across the street. We're not 100% sure of the location of the city main, but as you've seen, the water had quite a bit of buildup. We are going to have the tub turned off at this point and see if the just to confirm that this is our tie-in. Okay, we have turned water off to the tub. There currently is no other water running at this point, so you can see this is actually where the sanitary for the house ties in. So these lines do tie in together. I believe right here where it's hard to see because of the turn, but we have a little bit of root infiltration that's right here. I believe that's where the issue was at. When we did televise out, we are going to try and push our camera through. As you can see here, we have another 45. We're going to push through here We're going to push up 10 or 15 feet, and then we're going to make an attempt to locate to see if we can get a better idea where this line goes. But as you see, we do have quite a buildup throughout the sewer. Okay, we have located this area on the west side of the house. We did put a flag out there. This is down approximately 6 feet. And then the sewer basically runs from here. It runs at an angle across the street, and it ties into the sanitary main in the front yard of 26427. There's a manhole right next to the driveway of the house directly across the street. There's a city manhole. We were not able to push, as you've seen by the first part of our recording, we were not able to push all the way out to the city main due to the amount of bends, distance, and also the condition of the cast iron. We are going to pull back at this point. This will finish our recording. But the lines from the basement, floor drain, laundry, and storm drains tie into the sewer lines. Going out, and as you can see, under the basement floor we do have clay tile here, which changes to the cast iron outside. And again, this T here, this was the laundry tie-in. We were able to show that on an earlier part of the video, that we had flow from the laundry. You can see we have a little bit of silt buildup. This looks like possibly a T from a bleeder, which would be on the sidewall. So this does pick up the drain tile as well. We are attempting to go back we're going the other way on the T. We currently do not have much of a visual. We believe that goes to a drain tile that's on the back wall. We did not have much luck obtaining a visual. We were able to go in about 15 feet, which would possibly take us just about to the back wall at that point. So this will end our recording.